may Catholic Church. May church doon, no? Umakyat kami. Umakyat. Ah, you went there.
Where?
McDonald Road. McDonald Road daw. Bundok siya, oh. Tumaas kami.
You know, it's nothing to do with the Baguio City.
Apart here, the Disneyland, and the Disneyland, it's far from here.
I don't know. I don't know Disneyland.
You went Disneyland before with Georgia?
I've been to
Ha? Ano na?
Si Manong naka-ano.
Sino?
Walang gamit. Dito mga ganito apartment na yan. Ganyan yung bahay nila dito. Wala ko nakitang bahay na ano. This is where I like this area.
This train! Oh look, train! Ito na nga, magsakay tayo ng train. Nasa bundok kami, guys.
Naman tayo ito ang Baguio.
Ang Baguio.
Ito na yung Baguio City. Kasi paliko-liko siya.
O tingnan mo dito talaga galing yung mga sasakyan na yan. Ganda, no? Dito tingnan mo mga sasakyan nila. Oh. Maganda yung...
Maliit ang mga road din nila, ano?
Oo. Pataas.
Kaya sa Pilipinas ang luwang-luwang ng ano, sige. Mga ano yung mga driver.
Kahit maano.
Dahan-dahan sila. Sa atin.
Ah.
Doon. Wala sila. Ala, nasa Canon nga tayo. Sa Baguio. This is the way going to our place. Like this. Round. Like that. Canon place. I like
Ang taas din pala, no?
And I like my cousin's place when I go to Australia. Like this also. It's very quiet and peaceful place, you know. Like with the waterfalls, fresh.
Waterfalls there.
And also Spain, where I am in Spain now. Yeah. I mean, I'm not up the mountain, but I'm looking.
Mountain naman kami, guys. Pumunta sa mountain.
Very like this. Parang mas ano pa nga to sa Baguio yata. Mas mataas to.
Oh, mas mataas to.
Mataas to. So, driver, do you speak English?
Little bit.
Can you tell us a little bit about where we are going? Anything that you know about it? Victoria, you said Victoria Place?
Yeah, it's the peak.
The peak, the highest peak in Hong Kong?
Yeah.
Baka pinakamataas sa
See all the Hong Kong Island. Kowloon Island.
Fantastic.
So this way is for the north of Hong Kong. And then you can see the South Hong Kong and another way. It's a deep water place. Got so many houses at the south side.
Yun na yun. I like the south side, I think.
You very like.
Yes,
Yeah,
my
yeah.
favorite, yeah.
Yeah,
I like
we are
more
up.
traditional.
Yeah, got very beautiful beach. And then pub.
Yes.
Yeah.
We are in the top, guys. Nabibingi ako. Nabibingi ako, guys. Lalo na siguro pagbabaha.
Pero itong mga driver nila, dahan-dahan lang yung pagdadrive nila. Sa Pilipinas kasi as in, sige, overtake doon, over doon.
Overtake sa atin eh.
Dito dahan-dahan na.
Hello.
See all the names, British names, actually, Magazine Gap. So, where I live is Magazine Brown. But the word magazine is not magazine, a book.
Yeah, what do you call it?
Magazine is somewhere where you, an armory, where you keep the armor. So a fort for, you know, whether you are keeping for defense. So as the highest point here, if you see the word magazine, as in Magazine Gap, it would mean that this is probably an area that they've used to defend, I imagine, because the name. Also, when you see like the name MacDonald Road, these roads would have been for 100 years named. You know, nothing to do with.